Hello friends, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you fix your Messenger video call not working. For this, you have to open your Messenger app and you have to call a random person. But if you are facing a problem in the sound quality of the call, so you have to first make sure that you have strong internet connection. If you are connected on the Wi-Fi, so you have to switch towards the mobile data because it is a little bit faster than the Wi-Fi. And the second thing, you have to go to the Play Store and search Messenger here. If you got the option of open like me in the Messenger, then it means that your Messenger is fully updated. But if you got the option of update here, you have to update the Messenger first. And the third step is you have to come back and open your mobile settings and go to the app management. There you got the app list. In the app settings, you have to search or open the Messenger settings here. There you got the option of storage and cache. Click on it and you have to clear all the cache from the bottom right corner. And I hope after these steps you will be able to fix your Messenger video call sound or your audio call sound not working. I hope you can understand my explanation, but still if you have any doubt, please mention in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.